Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access to audiobooks on Spotify. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will be able to explore music like this. Now, in order to access audiobooks, for the advanced features, you need to have the premium subscription of Spotify account. If you want to get the premium subscription, here you can see the premium icon at the bottom right corner. You can tap on it and in this page you can choose your preferred plans. Here I'm using the free account of Spotify, so I won't be able to access the dedicated section of audiobooks. But what we can do is, here you can see the search icon at the bottom, tap on it. Now tap on the search bar at top and type in the name of the books whose audiobooks you are trying to find. You can type in the name of the book and after that type in audiobooks. In the search results, you'll be able to find different audiobooks related to that particular book. So you can check out all of these. You can simply tap on any of them and listen to their audiobooks. So that's it. That's how you can easily access audiobooks on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.